Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come on here and do a short video about this blind bag I got from Claire's. And I went with my kids and my mom, and mom ended up buying us all something. And yeah, I picked this blind bag because I think blind bags are cool. Alright, so kind of like to guess what's inside of here first. I'm thinking there's definitely a headband in there and maybe some clips. They said they don't put toys in there and only sometimes there's makeup. So I don't think there's makeup in here. So alright, let's see what we got. Right, we got a anklet. Looks like for like 4th of July. And you see, I guess they give clearance items. Ooh, glasses. It's like those fake glasses for $5. Oh, there is a headband in here, and it has pearls on it. This was $7. And these pins, these are cute. Ooh. Alright, we got more clips or pins. It says chill and spoiled. And we got this necklace with feathers on it. It's kind of like a bluish grayish color. Oh, earrings, the good kind. They're sterling silver. So yeah, I actually can't wear the fake jewelry at Claire's. I can only wear the sterling silver gold. So I like that they put that in there. And I got this one. And this one is 18 karat gold plated. It's pretty good for Claire's. So yeah, I got all these items. Let's see. It was all, I guess, sale items, but the cheapest you could get all these is for $2 for each item. And this one was on sale for $7, originally $12.99. And this one was $7, originally $12.99. This one was $7, originally $14.99. And this was $7. And was $14.99. This one was $7 on sale, but let's see. I think I gotta peel this to see what the original price was. The original price was $14.99. So I guess the $7 ones were originally $14.99. This was $15 on sale and $34.99 for this when it wasn't on sale. And $5 for the glasses, which was originally $10, $9.99. And $2 for this, which was originally $9.99. And if you add all of this up, it's like, I don't know, around $55 or so. But the cheapest you could get all this is like $2 for each. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $16. And we paid, I think, $11 for the whole bag. So I think it was really worth it, and I like the surprise. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.